Hey everyone, this is James on the XRP headline channel. By several metrics, XRP continues to outshine some of its biggest rivals. Check out this juicy headline from the Crypto Basic. XRP surpassed Ethereum and Solana in Coinbase's Q4 2024 revenue share report. Yep, Coinbase is raking it in.
I've been trading crypto successfully for over 380 days, consistently closing every month in profit. In the last 90 days alone, my followers have earned over $29,000 in profits by copying my trades. Want to see my verified stats? Click the first link in the profile description and start copying my trades for free today.
And I can't help but flash back to 2017 and 2018, when the XRP community kept asking, why won't they just list XRP? Do they not want to make money? Turns out, back then, the answer was kinda yes. Coinbase used to be super selective with listings. At the end of 2017, they only had 3 coins: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. They added Bitcoin Cash later because, well, it was a fork, an easy move. So they wrapped up the year with just 4 coins. Eventually, they realized leaving money on the table wasn't the best strategy. And now, XRP is crushing it. Funny how things change, huh? Now they're like, let's list everything the world creates, bring it all on. Sure, they have their so-called standards, but let's be real, they list a ton of stuff. Interestingly, while they've been raking in revenue from XRP trading for years, even during the lawsuit, they did delist it for a while. But now, oh, they're back to cashing in on those sweet XRP trading fees. You're welcome. As I've said in my previous videos, XRP has been the obvious winner, hiding in plain sight for years. I truly believe that, and I've been shouting it from the rooftops for a long time. The world is finally catching up, and it's an exciting time to highlight what's happening. But before diving in, let me be clear. I'm not a financial expert. This isn't financial advice, and you definitely shouldn't make any buy or sell decisions based on what I say. I'm just a crypto enthusiast who enjoys making fun YouTube videos about this fascinating space. It's all hobby-level excitement here. Nothing more, nothing less. Now let's talk global. This isn't just a US thing. It's happening everywhere. Take Korea, for instance. They've been massive fans of XRP for years. The reason? Honestly, I'm not sure, but their enthusiasm has had a real impact on XRP's supply and demand dynamics. This has been the case long before I even knew XRP existed. Check this out. Back in July of last year, before the XRP market started heating up, Korea was already making waves. The headline: XRP overtakes Bitcoin in Korea, records 2x more trade volume. That's right, double the volume of Bitcoin. And this was before all the recent buzz. Wild, right? XRP didn't gain real momentum until after the US elections, but when it did, the numbers were hard to ignore. In South Korea, XRP smashed records, overtaking Bitcoin in trading volume with over $650 million in just 24 hours on the country's top exchanges, 2.3 times more than Bitcoin's volume. It's clear XRP holds a special place in the hearts of South Korean traders, and honestly, it makes sense. XRP offers real utility, while Bitcoin is often seen as the pet rock of crypto. On January 3rd, headlines confirmed the trend. XRP dominates South Korean market, outshining Bitcoin and Dogecoin. The takeaway? XRP continues to prove its worth in markets where utility speaks louder than hype. Over the last 24 hours, XRP has pulled off a jaw-dropping feat, racking up nearly 3 times the trading volume of Bitcoin on Upbit, a leading Korean exchange. According to CoinMarketCap, XRP saw over $606 million in volume compared to Bitcoin's $246 million. Impressive, right? While Bitcoin undeniably holds its crown as number 1, seeing XRP outperform by certain metrics, even in specific markets, feels like a sneak peek into its untapped potential. It's a strong signal, don't you think? Personally, I believe XRP is massively undervalued. But hey, not everyone sees the same potential. Some critics just can't help themselves. Check this out. Protos drops an article on December 3rd, 2024, comparing the XRP craze in South Korea to the Luna meltdown. Seriously? The snark is unreal. If you don't remember the Luna disaster, just Google it. It was a major fiasco a few years back, but now they're putting XRP in the same category. XRP, one of the only 3 coins to stay in the top 10 by market cap its entire existence. That XRP, they're comparing that to Luna? Come on. Who writes this stuff? Whoever it is clearly has a case of what I like to call XRP derangement syndrome. It's like they're allergic to logic. Honestly, the level of ignorance here is mind-blowing. Total baby-back nonsense. Let's dive right in. Just take a look at this first sentence. It says it all. The XRP army, Ripple's devoted fan base, is alive and thriving in South Korea. Yep, you heard that right. A full-on fan club for Ripple. Absurd? Sure. Hilarious? Absolutely. But here's the kicker. Despite all the XRP derangement syndrome out there, we keep winning. And the haters, well, they just keep getting saltier. Honestly, it's entertaining to watch. And I love talking about it here on the channel. It's all in good fun. Speaking of winning, let's talk Coinbase. XRP pulled ahead of Ethereum and Solana in Coinbase's fourth quarter 2024 revenue share. Wow, talk about a leap. Coinbase just dropped its Q4 earnings, and the numbers are nothing short of impressive. With a staggering $2.3 billion in revenue and $1.6 billion in transaction revenue, up 88% and 172% from the previous quarter. It's clear the crypto exchange had a massive quarter. But here's the real kicker. XRP stole the spotlight, making up 14% of Coinbase's transaction revenue. That's more than Ethereum and Solana combined in percentage contribution. XRP's dominance has the community buzzing, and for good reason. Every time users buy or sell an asset, it adds to transaction revenue. So seeing XRP outpace heavyweights like ETH and SOL is a big deal. As VET and the XRP Ledger Dunnell validator highlighted in a tweet, this surge cements XRP's growing relevance in the crypto space. XRP continues to dominate as one of the most traded assets on Coinbase, showcasing strong traction from both retail and institutional investors. And the numbers don't lie. Coinbase raked in a staggering $224 million in Q4 2024 alone, just from XRP transactions. That's right, $224 million in just one quarter. Talk about a windfall. This surge in trading volume came as regulatory policies eased, driving activity and filling Coinbase's pockets. A screen graph shared by VET highlighted this trend. And here's an interesting tidbit. If the transaction revenue percentage is less than 10%, Coinbase marks it with an asterisk rather than a specific figure. For 4 quarters prior, XRP had those asterisks, likely due to suppressed market prices. But now, XRP's trading activity is back with a vengeance. This was the era when I, along with many in the community, kept shouting, "It's being artificially suppressed." We saw the SEC attack, but now, legal clarity is here. The bull run is coming. This won't last forever. And guess what? Fortunes are being made. No surprises here. Take a look. In Q4, Solana dipped below 10%, hence the asterisk. Ethereum sits at 10%, but XRP, a solid 14%. You love to see it. Call me crazy, but I think we've backed a winner with XRP. Maybe I'm bananas, but I don't think so. XRP has something you can't program: time. It's been live, running strong, and open to the public for 12 years now. Since 2013, created in 2012, and launched in 2013, XRP has stood the test of time. Despite facing relentless challenges, including the SEC's baseless attacks, the world never stopped believing in its potential. Think about it. Through all the noise, XRP has remained a top 10 coin by market cap. That's not just impressive, it's proof of its undeniable value. Even with artificial suppression, it thrived. Shouldn't that have been the clearest signal? Yes, it absolutely was. And many of us saw it all along. Fast forward to now, and we are reaping the rewards. Vindication never felt so good. But this is just the beginning. Things are only going to get better from here. Those doubting or salty now, by the end of this cycle, they'll be rethinking everything. Here's something interesting. XRP just overtook Bitcoin in 1-hour liquidations. Yep, you heard that right. For a brief moment, XRP led in dollar amounts of liquidations. What's going on? This happens when traders using leverage, essentially betting big with borrowed funds, get caught on the wrong side of the trade. Risky business, right? But what's fascinating is that for that hour, more people were willing to gamble on XRP than Bitcoin. Does this mean XRP is taking over? Not exactly. It's not a game changer, but it's another sign of shifting interest. These moments are popping up more and more, and it's exciting to watch. Quick reminder, I'm not a financial advisor. Don't buy or sell anything based on what I say here. It's just my take. Always do your own research.